Hello, I am Rick, and I will narrate today's Kazakh folk fairy tale, The Rooster and the Parrot, a Kazakh folk fairy tale. Once upon a time, the rooster was thought of as the most beautiful and most elegant of all the animals and birds in the forest. Because of this, he behaved very arrogantly. Even the way he walked showed how proud he was about his appearance. He thought so highly of himself that he looked down on the other animals. His only friend was the parrot. However, the poor parrot was not as well dressed as the rooster. One day, the parrot came up to him and said, "My friend, today I'm going to a party, but I have nothing fancy to wear. Please, can I borrow your beautiful clothes for the evening? I can't go looking like this. You understand. Everybody knows I'm your friend. They will make fun of me for looking so shabby." The rooster, trusting the parrot, took off his beautiful feathers and gave them to his friend. The parrot put them on straight away. The feathers fit him perfectly, and he was such a handsome bird wearing them. He then told the rooster when he would be back. "If I'm late, call me as loudly as you can," the parrot instructed his friend. "If I don't hear you call even louder, and I will certainly hear you." The parrot finished and flew off. But the parrot never came back, no matter how the rooster called. He called louder and louder, but it was no use. The parrot was never heard from again. They say that since then, the rooster has been shouting his cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo from morning until night in search of the parrot with his lost clothes. Now is the end for today's fairy tale. Let's go to vocabulary.